I'm Chip Sparks with Circuit Brief. Let's flash through the latest tech news. And wow, it's a wild one today. From hackers targeting federal agencies to massive DDoS takedowns and crypto scams straight out of a movie, the digital battlefield just keeps heating up. First up, let's talk cyber mayhem in the casino world. Boyd Gaming, the folks behind dozens of casinos across the U.S., just confirmed that they've suffered a data breach. Hackers wormed into their systems and made off with data tied to both employees and some guests. So yes, even Lady Luck couldn't stop that breach. Meanwhile, Cloudflare just stared a record-breaking DDoS attack in the face and lived to tell the tale. We're talking 22.2 terabits per second of chaos aimed straight at them. For scale, that's enough traffic to stream millions of HD movies all at once. Their systems held strong, but hackers keep flexing bigger muscles. Over in the world of state-sponsored attacks, Libresva's email security gateway had a serious hole exploited by advanced hackers. The company pushed an emergency patch, but not before some systems were poked and prodded. If you're running ESG, time to update, like now. And in another serious breach, CISA revealed that attackers used a vulnerable GeoServer instance to break into a U.S. federal civilian agency. The agency wasn't named, but this kind of exploit shows how unpatched software can open the gates to government networks. Now, a quick pause from the cyber chaos. If you're the kind of person who likes to stay hands-on with tech, check this out. The Ultimate USB version 2.1 from bootableusbs.com is pure utility gold. It packs 13 categories and 50 bootable environments, from hacking and forensics to recovery tools, dark web browsing, and even retro gaming. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of tech carried on a USB stick. Tap the link in the description and grab yours today. Back to news now. And speaking of shady activity, authorities in Europe took down a massive cryptocurrency scam ring that stole over 100 million euros from victims across 23 countries. 5 members were arrested, showing just how global and coordinated these fraud networks have become. GitHub is stepping up its game with a new wall of security for NPM packages. After recent attacks rocked the software supply chain, they're now requiring FIDO-based two-factor authentication and short-lived access tokens. That's a big win for developer security. But cybercriminals aren't giving up. A rogue NPM package called Fezbox was caught using QR code tech to deliver cookie-stealing malware. It pretended to be a useful utility but was secretly harvesting browser data from compromised machines. Stay vigilant, NPM folks. Meanwhile, the Secret Service made a curious find. A 300-server SIM farm operating near the UN General Assembly in New York. It had over 100,000 SIM cards ready to go, likely prepped for spamming, phishing, or worse. A potential threat nipped in the bud before it could escalate. And finally, WhatsApp just got smarter. The platform is now rolling out built-in message translation for iOS and Android, letting users translate chats, group messages, and broadcast updates right inside the app. No more copying and pasting into translator apps. About time, right? It's been a packed day in tech, from federal exploits to record-setting DDoS defenses. If this pace keeps up, tomorrow's headlines might be even wilder. Chip Sparks, signing off from Circuit Brief, and I'll see you tomorrow.